I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch mosaic quilt block. You will need 8 4x4-inch squares in background fabric, 4 4x4-inch squares in fabric A, I've chosen reds, and 4 4x4-inch squares in fabric B, I've chosen greens. Making the half square triangles. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of all the background fabric squares. With right sides together, pair up with fabrics B and C and pin in the corners. Sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the drawn line. Cut along the drawn line. Press to the darker fabric. Trimming the half square triangles. Lay the diagonal line on the ruler over the seam. Line the bottom and left edges at just over 3.5 inches. Trim the right and top edges. Turn the unit round. Lay the diagonal line on the ruler on top of the seam. And line the bottom and left edges at exactly 3.5 inches. Trim the right and top edges and repeat with all the half square triangle units. Block layout. Press your units and lay in the block layout. In columns, pair up your units. The pins indicate the stitch line. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to block layout. There's no need to press yet. In columns, pair up again with the pin indicating the stitch line. Return to block layout. Now press in columns in opposite directions as shown with the arrows. Pin the columns together matching the seams. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to block layout. Pin the last columns matching the seams. Press the seams open. Congratulations, you have made the mosaic block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.